Where is the bottom for AMC? The price is still continue to go down. Last time the short seller added was around the 11-10 cent around the earnings. You see this wick? Exactly. The price pumped up after hours. Then the next day we have a huge flush down. The next time short seller added was around the $9.12. Today's video we have to discuss where the short have to cover the first level that they have to cover because they added again after the $9.12. So press the like button and the way in, and let's kick our video for today for AMC bottom. As you can see here, we have the first level of resistance where the short seller added is around the 11-10 cent around the earnings. Second time they added was around the $9.12 after the earnings. And the third time that we discussed in our live streaming was around the $8.23. You see what's happened here? We have buying pressure, selling pressure, then they added here twice, not once, twice around the $8.23. The price tried to break on our live streaming as we discussed. Don't buy yet because the price didn't have a confirmation for a reversal. Why you buy here if the price continue to go down? That's why we have to discuss in today's video where the major level of reversal. If you average down or you want to buy the dip, you have to be strategic, because if the price continue to go down and you try to focus on buying the dip, like what happened here, you have to be strategic. You have to enter and exit because we don't have a confirmation yet. Because if you entered here and the price continued to go down, you'll be in red. We need to confirm a support that we have to visit by tomorrow. So now we don't have a support yet. We don't have a confirmation for a bottom yet because the price is still continuing to go down. The main reason of that, the short seller is still adding. The last time was around the $8.23. Now the price going toward the $7.05 is getting near. Of course, it's getting near this level. By tomorrow, we might have a test for this level over the $7. So we have two reactions that will happen for tomorrow for AMC. The first reaction that everybody waiting for this reaction to happen, which is going here and find a bottom. What I mean by finding a bottom, by a consolidation and finding a floor. It's like throwing a ball. If you throw it from high ceiling and the price or the ball never hit the ground, what's gonna happen for the ball? Continue to go down because there is no floor. The same with the price. We have to have a floor for the ball to hit there and bounce back. This is the good reaction or the way of physics and how nature works. We need it to happen for AMC. Once we had a floor and the price hit this floor and at least consolidate and never go below it, we're gonna accumulate, find a bit of volatility later on and volume, buy big whale buying here. Then how we gonna confirm if this is the bottom is by breaking the $8.23. So this is the first or two signal that will confirm that we visit a great bottom for AMC by holding it, then breaking the current resistance. Now you might ask me, Jesus, okay, what's the worst case scenario? What's the other scenario? The other scenario is going toward the $7.05 and not holding there. Continue to go down, breaking the floor. There is no floor, going down without a test. This will be a big sign of weakness for AMC, and yeah, we might have the 5, the 4, and even the $1. Not for today, maybe for the next year. We're gonna continue to go down. So be extremely careful with this reaction, even though we have some kind of good news coming up fundamentally, but technically, if we broke the 7, we might have a drop for a new low, all-time low for AMC after we break the 7, because we might trigger panic selling. So this is the reaction that we have to watch out for AMC by tomorrow at least, to see if we're gonna have a reversal, a good reaction by holding and then breaking the $8.23 and going toward the 9 and again toward the $10.10 or $11.10, where we're gonna have short seller cover up around this level. Not the 9, not the 8, but the 8 will give us, the $8.23 will give us a first signal for a good reaction from a reversal from the bottom. We're gonna do a live streaming, especially for AMC tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market opens. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna cover today, tomorrow, and we'll see what the reaction will happen. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, what will gonna happen once we test the $7.05. Are we gonna break it, or we gonna reverse from it? See you in the next video.